The way you can do that is by posting automatically on a bunch of Twitter accounts. Then here I will have a tool using MTKX software. The software will support you to manage unlimited Twitter accounts. Welcome to digital marketing software. First, you need to add your Twitter account to the software. Then you will select the posting function. Next, you will choose the personal post feature. Here you will install your own configuration. For example, you choose content. You will choose the content that you have already added. Next, you will set the number of posts or the time gap between the post. There will also be other options depending on your needs. You can take a look at the interface and look at the options here. Next, you will select the Twitter accounts that you have added to the software. You'll finally press the Start button. As you can see, the software will start opening all the Chrome tabs. Each Chrome tab corresponds to a dynamically running account. Here the software has supported you are automatically logged in and deployed automatic account support. Automatic posting on your profile is also a form to support your account. Increase trust in the account. If you're looking to clone, create a mass Twitter account automatically. You can refer to this software. If you need more information about the software, you can contact me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp. I go below the description. Now let's go with the software and we'll monitor. See how the software will help you post automatically.